I'm doing a book review called The Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday. People who achieve more, they have to overcome certain obstacles. In this book, there are insights of how we can achieve, how we can overcome those obstacles. This book is extremely important in current context of uncertain times. It will give you a lot of insights of how you can lead yourself in these uncertain times. Insight number 1, the discipline of perception. In 1850s, America saw a Great Depression. And great business leader Rockefeller saw this differently. He saw opportunity in this depression. He stayed calm. He prepared himself and he waited for good days. So your perception is of extreme importance and you have to consistently perceive positive. Insight number 2, steady your nerves. Your coolness, your pose, your grace is very important. Your calmness is very important. You got to be cool like a cucumber even in tiring, difficult, uncertain situations. Insight number 3, control your emotions. These moments, these uncertain times, these obstacles test you. You got to hold on to your emotions. Do you really want to freak out? All the hard work which you are doing, all the efforts which you are putting in, this will go waste. Learn how you can control your emotions. Insight number 4, practice objectivity. Weak eyes always see problems, difficulty, constraints. A strong eye clears out distraction, misconception. Insight number 4, alter your perspective. When I do these recording, there are multiple ways of capturing, right? It's just the way you look at it. Just alter your perspective. It can unlock value. Insight number 6, and this is my favorite, live in the present moment. Be alive. Just, it's the moment which gives you power and opportunity to execute those actions, execute those plans. It is always, present moment is the space of pure potentiality. Insight number 7, think differently. You got to aim high. When you aim high, then only you are creating a chance of achieving something significant. Insight number 8, action. A lot of people, they just think about problem and stay there. They don't take action. Action is the key. Insight number 9, practice persistence. You have to overcome several obstacles, several failures. You got to stay on course. Don't give up. Insight number 10, iterate. If you are feeling trapped, if certain things are not working, certain strategies are not working, certain actions are not working, change. Just change. Insight number 11, follow the process. You got to break your large goals into small pieces and convert those small pieces into actions and perform those actions every single day. Insight number 12, channel your energy. These great dams are created where water is reserved. Now water has still got energy and it is used when it is required. So hold on to your energy. Insight number 12, the discipline of the will. Will comes from soul. You got to have soul in whatever you are doing. Insight number 14, anticipation. Plan for worst case scenario. It is not that you're thinking negatively. You're just prepared for any scenario. And last insight number 15, prepare to start again. In this journey, you have to overcome and win a lot of obstacles. One obstacle will come and go, another will come. You got to prepare yourself, start yourself fresh, all again with full energy. I love this book. It's got some amazing insights. Creating a beautiful life is a journey, and in this journey you have to overcome a lot of obstacles, and these obstacles can be overcome by developing these mental strengths. And I'm sure each one of you who's listening this video is keen curious, and determined to create these mental strength to overcome these obstacles. I'm with you in this journey. Enjoy your day. Have great moments. Bye bye.